Moving on, as allegations against controversial god woman Radhe Ma continue to mount, the self-styled demi-goddess herself is now absconding. Sources have told India Today that Radhe Ma may be looking to go abroad to escape the heat. The Mumbai police has also issued a lookout notice against Radhe Ma, and the self-proclaimed god woman has been charged with obscenity, vulgarity and harassment. The latest controversy also has spiritual leaders across the country up in arms, but Radhe Ma's followers remain unflinching in their support.
राधे माँ के बहुत से भक्त हैं। बॉम्बे में मैं भी जा चुका हूँ उनके पास, उनके सामने मैंने भजन भी गाए हैं और ऐसा सब कहते हैं कि लोगों को चमत्कार भी हुए हैं। तकलीफ़ें सबको दी जाती हैं, उसके पीछे क्या षड्यंत्र है ये ना आप जानते हैं ना मैं जानता हूँ, ये तो वो दो लोग ही जानते हैं। जिसने केस किया है और जिसके ऊपर किया है वही समझ सकते हैं।
हम उसे संत मानते ही नहीं हैं, वो साध्वी हो ही नहीं सकती है। साध्वी के गुणधर्म, संतों के जो गुणधर्म है वो हमारे भक्तमाल के संतों से सीखना चाहिए। जो हमारे संतों ने हमारे लिए एक साहित्य रखा हुआ है, उस साहित्य के आधार पर ही संत बना जा सकता है और उनके पास वो साहित्य है नहीं है।
ये राधे माँ जो है, राधे माँ एक डिस्को डांसर है और वो फिल्मी दुनिया में से आई हुई है और उसको जूना अखाड़े के मिलके उसको महामंडलेश्वर बनाया गया। बहुत दुख का विषय है कि हमारे संत समाज में ऐसे फर्जी लोग हैं जो ऐसे फर्जी राधे माँ जैसे फर्जी लोगों को महामंडलेश्वर बनाते हैं और वो समाज में, देश में संस्कृति को जो है कलंकित कर रहे हैं।
Clearly, there does seem to be a turf war of sorts as well, you know, with the opposing camps of Radhe Ma. They've been provided with ammunition with these fresh controversies. Though there is no clarity on where Radhe Ma currently is, but the list of charges against her keeps getting longer and longer. Yesterday, a Mumbai-based lawyer had filed a police complaint against the god woman for obscenity, cheating and hurting religious sentiments. And not just that, she has also been booked under Dowry Prohibition Act after another Mumbai-based woman accused Radhe Ma of instigating her in-laws. Earlier too, Radhe Ma had quoted controversy for superimposing her image on a picture of a goddess. There was massive furor over her being anointed Mahamandaleshwar too.
जब तक मुझे न्याय नहीं मिल जाता है तब तक मैं संतुष्ट नहीं होंगी। मैं न्याय का वेट कर रही हूँ।
हमको ऐसी आशंका थी कि शायद से राधे माँ, जगमोहन गुप्ता, ये लोग सब लोग कुछ विदेश भागने की तैयारी में थे, इसलिए शायद पुलिस ने कुछ एक लुकआउट नोटिस करके कुछ है वो शायद जारी की है।
Okay, let's get in a word from Vidya, my colleague who joins us live now from Mumbai. Vidya, you know, other than, of course, the police trying to register that case, but what are they doing? Are they raiding the known current addresses of Radhe Ma? Somebody like her who had such a popular following obviously cannot go underground just overnight.
Smita, there's nothing really tangible as of now before Mumbai police. You have to know that there's only one case that has been registered as a form of an FIR, which is in a dowry harassment case, and it does not really imply Radhe Ma directly. It says that she was the one who instigated the parents to harass the girl. That is the only bit of FIR that is right now in the what the Mumbai police really has. In fact, Falguni Brahma Bhatt, who had registered, who had written a complaint to the Mumbai police asking them to register an FIR, she has been called today around 7 o'clock. She will be at the Borivali police station, and there she will be registering her statement. Only then, if Mumbai police thinks that it needs to be converted into an FIR, will it be converted into an FIR, and Mumbai police will only then start reading and searching for Radhe Ma.
Okay, many thanks, Vidya, for having joined us with the latest from Mumbai, where Vidya, of course, did update us.